All right, team. Got a few things going on today. It's been a while since I got to update you. All right, so we've got electrical data going in right here. They've got the loop coming in this way. That's going to go into the pump house, and then over here, that right where this gentleman on the right is standing, is our stairwell going down, starting up there. What's going to happen is this loop is basically just going to give us some expansion ability. They're going to put boxes on rails. That'll be really helpful for us. All right, what's going on here? These gentlemen, they just poured the walls for the surge pit. They formed everything up. You can see how big it is. That's pretty big, how and deep the surge pit's going to be. And then this wall right here, where this short wall, that's all into the pump house. So, you know, we've seen some other rooms that we have on site. We'll be able to see into the surge pit, but the rest of it is open. I think that's how it's going to go. Could be wrong. I could totally be wrong, actually, now thinking about it. I'm going to have to look at the plans. All right. Let's go this way. What's up? All right. So right here, this is the spread footer for the retaining wall. So right now, basically where I'm standing is the top of the slide tower, if you will, the slide hill. And then the slides will actually be in that direction. Now, a lot of this dirt will be going bye-bye soon. But it's also going to be what backs up into the hill here to get us our lift, right? And then, of course, we'll have a concrete pad on top for the sidewalk. Okay, you can see right here, they've got conduit already stuck out right here. There's going to be, it's going to a couple of things. Most of it's going to this river flow motivator that they actually hit the line on, but that's okay. But you can see conduit's going in quick, and you can see how big this wall is. This is a pretty big wall. Yes, sir. Looking good though. Looking good. All right, what else do we got? Feels pretty big. It's a lot of spoil on this dirt. Okay, so they told me they hit the line that goes to the what's it called? E-stop, for the E-stop. Let's see. All right, so they hit the line that goes to this for sure. You can see there's the conduit that they're going to bring in. They got to penetrate the concrete here, or they're trying to find it, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, but what sucks is it goes up into this river. This is a river motivator. Go river. They go into this river motivator, and then it daisy chains to way over there. Number 10 is over there. This is number 13. So, but yeah. Oh my goodness. I am a little surprised. I hadn't seen this like this in a long time. So, splash pad with nothing on it. Wow. They did this a lot faster than I was expecting, boys. Okay, interesting. Hopefully they remember to take photos of where everything's at. Ain't too bad though, ain't too bad. Wow. So this is where the gator sat. Yeah, the gator. Pretty dirty under it. This pad looks horrible. Man, they beat it up, boys. Dang it. I hadn't seen this pad. Nobody told me about this. Dang it, man. We're gonna have to get that replaced. Oof. And what sucks, gentlemen, is we just installed this one. Just installed it, and I have 2 more to go for it. Ugh. Damn it. Okay. Nonetheless, look how rusty these guys are. That was one of the things that kind of failed at the beginning. They started putting, they put carbon steel bolts and nuts down. Like, come on, guys. Once we started installing, once we started installing stuff, everything started to be all stainless steel. All right, well, that is pretty much it. What's going on with the construction site? It doesn't feel like much is moving, but really having the walls done on that pump house is really going to make things take off. We're going to start doing the underground the next 2 or 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, for all of the pump, or for all the toys that are going here. So we're looking pretty good, team. Thanks so much for joining me on this one. If you were part of the Tesla takeover of my channel, I apologize. I've got every security thing I can think of to put in place now, but nonetheless, thanks for sticking around, and we'll talk to you soon.